Mission aborted, at least for now. Private company SpaceX was trying to make history with a launch to the International Space Station, but had to abruptly cancel the mission after computers detected a problem with one of the rocket's engines. This as countdown practically reached zero.
3, 2, 1, 0, and liftoff. Liftoff did not occur.
Shortly after, billionaire rocket designer Elon Musk tweeted, "Slightly high combustion chamber pressure on engine 5. We'll adjust limits for countdown in a few days." Orlando's Wesh calls the effort valiant, but ultimately a no-go.
Computers cut it off with less than a second to go in the countdown after the engines had already started, with the bolts that hold the rocket to the launch pad still there. Those bolts did not explode and let go because the computer told them not to.
According to the Associated Press, Tuesday is the soonest SpaceX can try again. In fact, in a press conference after the aborted launch, NASA officials confirmed the rescheduling.
We're looking at the additional launch opportunities. This 22nd, of course, looks good. That was pre-planned. The 23rd looks like it's a good date from the trajectory.
SpaceX President Gwynne Shotwell was careful to say the cancellation was not a failure, but rather purposeful. A CBS report airing on affiliate WBZ has more on the last-minute abort.
SpaceX is one of 5 U.S. firms competing for NASA contracts to take supplies and astronauts into outer space.
The final shuttle flight was last July, so NASA is now looking for a cheaper way to get to space.
And SpaceX is hoping to be that cheaper alternative. But Business Week's Brendan McGarry suggests the canceled launch might raise more questions. The decision to rely on commercial technology is inherently risky because the vehicles are not yet proven and are experiencing delays in development, according to a March report by the Government Accountability Office. NASA doesn't have agreements with its Russian, Japanese, and European partners beyond 2016, according to the report. If those details and the commercial launches don't work out, the situation could lead to a potential cargo shortfall, the GAO said. According to Space.com, forecasts predict a 60% chance of good conditions for liftoff Tuesday. For Newsy, I'm Christina Hartman. Multiple sources, the real story.